When Afghans are in trouble, India helps us. We are happy with them and we thank them.
The dams India builds will greatly help our agriculture and strengthen the economy.
India has always been a friend to Afghanistan. India does not interfere in Afghanistan's internal affairs.
I thank India for maintaining relations and cooperation with us. These dams, when built, will strengthen our economy and I am happy.
My request to India and all countries is those who oppress us should be stopped together and they should help us.
They always want to destroy Afghanistan. They are our perpetual enemy.
My name is Roshan Ahmed. I am 30 years old.
My name is Faisal Karimi. I am 19 years old.
My name is Wafadar. I live in Chaparhar, Nangarhar. I am 28 years old.
Pakistan is our enemy. Pakistan has attacked our provinces, Kunar, Khost and others. The Islamic Emirates' patience is over because they attacked us. We are forced to defend ourselves. This so-called neighborhood they keep with us is not in accordance with the principles of neighbors. The Islamic Emirate should respond.
Pakistan's attacks on Afghanistan are not right. They harm us in every way. From an Islamic perspective, why is not correct? The attacks they carry out are massacres. We have not carried out attacks that harm civilians, but they have.
Everyone in the world knows that our neighboring country Pakistan has always cut off legs of the Afghan people. If we have shown restraint in the past, they have stuck us from behind like a serpent. They always want to destroy Afghanistan. They are our perpetual enemy.
अफगानिस्तान इक़्तिसाद हिसाब किताब हर क्षेत्र दा हर निगाना ॾाढी गलत कार दे.
Last night in some provinces, they targeted civilians. I am not in favor of war. It should be resolved through peace.
को द नजर जंग छ दे रवा कार ने په دې جنگ کې چې د وګړو هیڅ لاس نشته دی او دا قتل عام دی او قتل عام چې دی دا په دې تر فعلا چې دی د دې خوانه چې په پاکستان باندې چې دی هیڅ داسې کوم برید نه ده شوی.
We must mobilize everyone and stand with our forces. Every Afghan feels sorrow in his own home and rejoices in victory.
پکارم دا امارت اسلامي ته چې دې جواب وکي ورکی ورته او جواب وکي. ولست پکار دا چې
The people must stand with the Islamic Emirate. Those countries that work against our system should stand with us. The Islamic Emirate came through sacrifices. We must be thankful for that.
There is a Pashto proverb. If I can't beat you, I will kill your father. They always behave like this. They do not have the morale for a frontal battle. They stab ordinary people from behind. They do not have the capability for direct confrontation. They do unlawful things.
نو دوی همیشه داسې یو بزدلانه کار کوي ځکه د مخامخ جګړې مورال دوی نه لري.
Everyone understands that this is inhumane. They hide behind the clothing of Muslims while acting like infidels. A person should not act like that.
I feel happiness that reconstruction work is going on in this war-torn country, like India's efforts to help us with projects.
هندوستان نه ډیره تمه لرو په دې خاطر چې په اوسني له پخوانه هندوستان سره داسې کوم شخصي او
Every country should assist us like this. The dams India builds will greatly help our agriculture and strengthen the economy. We face a shortage of water, so dams are important.
If we do not show gratitude, our situation will worsen. Only Afghanistan is a country that has protected Muslims, gives them safety and does not allow anyone to torment our nation. I ask the people to support the Emirate despite problems. If they do not officially recognize us, we will not recognize them.
Behind every big conflict, Pakistan's hand is present. So many Afghans have been martyred because of them, because they gave safe havens to terrorists. They trained terrorists against Afghanistan. If we accept a Durand Line and other border agreements with them, Afghanistan might become calm, but we do not accept that.
او د هر کوم حالت دغه نه کار واخلو دا غوي په وړاندې باندې ودرې
په خپل ځای دی.
My request to India and all countries is those who oppress us should be stopped together and they should help us. We have great expectations from India because we have no political or security problem with them.
دا اوس هغه اخرین حالات دی تاسو نور دنیا کې مو ګورئ اسلامي ممالک شته دی خو
Economic sanctions should not be imposed on us. My message is support the Islamic Emirate and stay away from intelligent networks. The Afghan nation must respond to anyone who attacked us and stand with our forces. Look, Kashtapi canal works are ruined. Roads are being built, dams are being constructed. I heard that India has projects in Farah and Kunar. These are important achievements.
I am experienced in warfare. I have faced war many times and we will not tolerate their aggression. I am a military man. I had a post under the Republic, but we have put aside all disagreements and are united.
خصوصا په کورنۍ چارو کې مداخلې نه کوي عقلاً که هر وخت په افغانستان باندې یو مصیبت راځي یا کم
Pakistan attacked us. We must respond. I am ready even without salary. All my comrades are ready. It is our religious duty from Allah to defend our country. I call on all Afghans to unite for furthers and support our people.
زمونږ نه پاکستان دغلته یو دانه چپله کې مونږ ته رالیږي په 100 روپۍ په مونږ خرڅوي بیرته هغه مونږ نه په یو پاپړ باندې اخلي
او هغه کارونه چې افغانستان ته پې باندې مشکل رسیږي
They should assist us. The country problems are not about individuals or groups only. We must collectively address issues. When it comes to Afghanistan, everyone should come together in unity.
ټول افغانستان لپاره لاس یو بل ته ورکړي.
I thank India for maintaining relations and cooperation with us. These dams, when built, will strengthen our economy and I am happy. If a dam is built in Kunar, the neighbors who have made trouble for us will be pacified.
مونږ پرې ډېر پازابي نو دا به مونږه قابو کړو
نو دا د افغانستان په ګټه باندې نه تمامېږي نو مونږ غواړو هغه
India has always been a friend to Afghanistan. India does not interfere in Afghanistan's internal affairs. When Afghans are in trouble, India helps us. We are happy with them and we thank them. We must have factories and do our own work. But Pakistan does not want that. India assists us. We are always pleased with
چې
them.
پرمختګ کېږي مو خوشحالېږو